Hey everyone, I'm Mark Sievers, and today I'm going to show you my foolproof way of making a simple French omelette. So I can't exactly take credit for the technique because I learned how to do this from Julia Child watching the French chef and her famous The Omelette Show about 25 years ago is when I discovered this video. And I've been making French omelettes this way ever since. So let me show you exactly how to do this. It's really simple. So here I have a 10-inch non-stick skillet set over medium to high heat, and it's been preheating for about 30 seconds. So I'm going to put in a tablespoon of room temperature butter and a fresh sprig of thyme. That thyme is going to infuse the butter and give it a little bit of extra flavor. I also have 2 room temperature farm fresh eggs, a pinch of salt and pepper that I've lightly beaten to make sure that I didn't whip any air into it. We don't want lots of bubbles. So what we're doing here is I'm infusing this butter with this fresh thyme, and right before I put in the eggs, I'm going to take out the fresh thyme sprig. So this is going to get, you can smell the butter, you can smell the thyme, and this is just going to add a little bit of extra flavor. So you can see the heat's fairly warm, so it's starting to really melt, get a little sizzle. What you want to be careful is you don't brown the butter. So that looks about perfect. I'm going to take out this fresh thyme, and I'm going to dump in my eggs right into the center of the butter. And I'm going to let that cook for just a minute. And then you can see it will start to kind of cook a little bit, and it's going to start to expand throughout the pan. And this is where you use a little bit of a circular technique, and then you're going to jerk the omelet back onto itself over and over and over again. And what this is doing is it's cooking all of the egg inside, but it's also making it completely folded on top of itself. So plate it just like this, tip it over onto itself, and et voila, the perfect French omelette. See? So you can have a fabulous breakfast, quick brunch, lunch, dinner, little midnight rendezvous kitchen snack in under 25 seconds. I just love this technique, and I know, try it at home, practice a bit, get a dozen eggs, and have fun in the kitchen, maybe with a little bit of wine, I don't know. I'm Mark Sievers, thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you're notified of new videos as soon as they post. Head over to marksievers.com for more kitchen tips, recipes, and entertaining ideas. See you next time, bye. Et voilà. Bye.